Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you the new things added to the Minecraft 26.2 Chaos Cubed update. Number 1, there'll be a new Sulfur Caves biome. It will feature sulfur-themed terrain, unique red and yellow color palette, and it'll contain exclusive resources, structures, and environmental hazards. There will also be cinnabar blocks, a new decorative redstone block. It can be crafted into stairs, slabs, walls, decorative variants, and it's great for bold underground builds. There'll also be potent sulfur, which creates sulfur particles when placed underwater. It creates a nausea-like effect to nearby players, and it can be used to create dangerous or atmospheric areas. There'll be sulfur spikes, and it's a sulfur version of pointed dripstone. It will damage entities when fallen onto, and it's a collectible and placeable for traps and decoration. There'll also be a new mob, the Sulfur Cube. This is a peaceful creature found exclusively in sulfur caves. It can be collected using a bucket. It splits into smaller cubes when damaged, and the smaller cubes regrow over time. There's also a new block absorption system. Sulfur cubes can now absorb blocks. Players can throw blocks at them and directly place blocks into them. The cube appearance changes based on the absorbed block. There's also new minigame possibilities, such as golf-style gameplay, volleyball-style gameplay, custom arenas and physics challenges, and endless creative multiplayer uses. Not just that, but it's got massive new building potential. It's the first major set of decorative blocks added in a long time. It's a huge expansion for cave-themed, industrial fantasy, and underground builds. Let us know what your favorite feature has been from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.